All right, today I have a kind of a rare machine for you all. This is a Fantom Thunderbolt from 2002 or maybe 2005. I picked this up at Goodwill today. The base was $15, but the Power Nozzle they were selling for an additional $10. I actually went to the same Goodwill a couple of days ago when I first found it, but I didn't realize that it actually came with the hose, so I didn't buy it at first. Before we plug it in, I wanted to open it up and clean out the filter. So to open it up, you simply press this button on the top and the canister comes right out. Now this is 3 different filters. We've got a filter right above the motor, and then this one behind the motor, and then the one that we're going to be cleaning, which is here in the tank. As you can see, that's particularly dirty, so I'm going to clean it up using the running vac.
Crevice tool. So we just screw it back on, and then, I need to reposition the camera. And there's a little marker that you need to keep your eyes out for to put this canister together properly.
For those not in the know, once again, this is the Fantom Thunderbolt, which was made by Europro after the original company that made Fantom vacuum cleaners dissolved in 2002. It's a pretty basic bagless machine. It's got a power nozzle, but let's check it out. that's one little problem with it. The power nozzle doesn't stand up particularly well, but it's a pretty quiet vacuum cleaner, I think. That's always a good thing when the vacuums are quiet, but I'd take points off just for the instability. It was probably really cheap when they originally sold it. And I guess the other big thing is that it's a bagless machine, and typically a bagged vacuum cleaner would be more reliable, but hey, it's still kind of a rarity, and it did a decent job, and I'm glad that I picked it up. So that's the Fantom Thunderbolt.